Ki babon ki benta jang Meghalaya hakine kisngi bala late la sakhi bala don bon bha ki Jingjia Pluh ding na ka daw ka jing Tyrkhong ka jinglong jingman ka Suiñ Bneng bat ka Bajur ka Lyier tang hakitayo bala dep la don palat sapo tali ki klau ki bahapo ka jungle Kharshïing hills ki bala sha thang bat ka Meghalaya fire bat emergency services kala tre palat kapot ban pentikna ban la telakam ya ki jingjulor ha ki babon ki jaka halor kane u Meghalaya Fire and Emergency Services Inspector General uba Francis G Kharshïing ulong ba ki Jingjia Pluh ding ki wan na ka daw ka jing Tyrkhong ka jinglong jingman ka Suiñ Bneng ka badon lang bat ka Lyier ka baklain.
Morning. Basically, it is this dry fire spell. Dry weather that we are having. This coupled with high winds, high velocity winds. The winds during this period, yes, is true. But we were expecting the rains, and there's no rains, and it's very dry. And some places maybe somebody may have just sparked a fire and all that in the forest. That has led to a number of major fire calls, which in the last few days we've had. I don't see much. The only challenge which I perceive is the traffic issues, because whenever there's a call, within 1 to 2 minutes, our tenders are on the job. I've left the station. But the problem is they get caught up in traffic, and that is a major issue. So they get delayed just because of traffic. Otherwise, leaving the station and responding to a call is immediate. It's within 1 or 2 minutes latest. But they honestly, yesterday there was a fire in Bishnupur where a transformer caught fire, and the fire was raging. And had the fire and emergency service not attended it in time, there was huge chance that the fire could have spread to various parts of Bishnupur. Fortunately, I was available at the spot, and I immediately spoke to the traffic branches in the city and informed them of this fire, and asked them to clear the traffic immediately to allow. So the fire and emergency the fire personnel were there within 10 minutes, and they could respond, and then a major fire was really averted in Bishnupur yesterday. So our major concern is actually the traffic in the city, which is a cause of concern.